What's up guys, LOH with Low Tech. 3D printers are very useful devices, but can they be used to cook food? Going with the old adage, you could cook an egg on it, we decided to put that to the test. We decided to print a container to cook the egg in first, as we thought this would be the cleanest way to cook. Once the print was done, we were able to just heat at the bed as high as it would go, 120°C on the Anycubic i3 Mega, and plopped in an egg and waited. And sadly, it was then we noticed that cooking an egg in a white container is about as interesting as watching paint dry, so we added an egg white directly to the print bed. It's time to test out if the ULTRABASE works on eggs. So once the egg seemed done using the egg white as a base, we removed it from the container and, surprise, surprise, it was cooked. The yolk was just starting to harden, so if you're looking for something a little bit more runny, you could take the egg off sooner. I would suggest using food grade PLA for this, but, well, it tasted like eggs. As for ULTRABASE, yeah, not so ultra with eggs. Going to need some serious TLC to get that off. Thanks for watching, guys. This is LOH the Low Tech, and we just cooked an egg on a 3D printer. Subscribe.